Hello students, good morning. See, we are learning your topic current electricity. Current and electricity, these two words are interrelated each other as I told you. See, in previous video lecture we have discussed about the what is mean by the potential. See, for that I have give you one example, and that example is nothing but the example of waterfall. Just like a water, the electric charge or the flow of electric charge is also depend on the 2 points, and that 2 points is known as electric level, and electric level is nothing but the electric potential. So what is the electric potential? Electric potential is nothing but the electric levels. Electric potential is nothing but the electric levels in which flow of charge will depend. Okay, that one is nothing but the electric potential, means like water, the flow of charge is also depend upon the 2 points, and that point is nothing but the electric levels, and that electric levels is known as electric potential. In this video lecture we are going to discuss about the what is mean by potential difference, and it is a very important term. The current electricity, the flow of current is totally depend on the TD, that one is nothing but the potential difference. Very important concept here. See, as I told you, what are the electrons, what are the protons, what are the neutrons. See, we are going to learn potential difference. Here is the one diagram shown to you. What is the diagram? Here is the two conductors. This conductor is known as positively charged conductor. Okay, this is the positive end, and this is the negatively charged conductor, and this conductor is joined on the insulator. Okay, this is the positively charged conductor is also known as high electric potential. Why it is also known as high electric potential? Because the positive end always having the high electric potential, and the negative end is always having low electric potential. What I say, the positive end, positive charge, positive end having high electric potential. Okay, while the negative end having low electric potential. Okay, see, then and in between these two conductor a wire, and that wire is known as conducting wire. See, conducting wire. Then the question is arise, what is mean by the conductor? Conductors are the substances who can carry electricity easily through themselves. Okay, and this definition you have already studied in previous standards. Okay, this is the diagram. Okay, the first point is, what is the first point? See, the positive charge always flow from the higher potential to lower potential. Very important point. The positive charge is always a flow from higher potential to lower potential, means positive charge is always flow from the potential, the point of high potential from to the point of low potential. Okay, after that the electricity flow due to the conduction of negatively charged particle, that one is nothing but the electrons. What is the point? Point is nothing but the electricity flow due to conduction of negatively charged particle, electron. I have already told you the flow of current or the current electricity is depend on the word electricity is derived from the word electrons. So the flow of electricity is depend on the positively charged particle, and that one is nothing but the electron, and electrons are always flows from negative terminal to positive terminal, means electron is always flow from electrons is always flows from negative terminal to positive terminal. Okay, and in case of current is always flows from opposite direction in the electron. See, if the electron flows from negative end, that one is nothing but the at the negative end the potential will be low, and at positive end the potential will be high. Therefore we can say here the electrons is always flow from low electric potential to higher electric potential. Clear? See, now the difference between the values of potential at point A and point B is known as potential difference. See, this is the definition of potential difference. Before going to discuss about the definition of potential difference, I want to tell you 2 to 3 points, and that 2 to 3 points is nothing but the see, positive end is always having higher potential than negative end. Negative end is always having low potential, or the negative end is always known as lower potential, lower electric potential. So the question is arise, what is electric potential? Electric potential is nothing but the flow of charge depend on some kind of points, or some kind of that point is known as electric levels, that is known as electric potential. So, and the differences between these electric potential is known as potential difference. Okay, see, the flow of current is only happen because of the electrons. Electron is always move from negative end to positive end, and charge is always flows from positive end to negative end, and this both are opposite with each other. Okay, see, here is the description about the diagram. See what is the description. See, the point A is at higher potential. A is at higher potential conductor than B. A is at higher potential conductor than B. Why? Because at point A, very sorry, here is the point A and here is the point B, and the differences between the electric level in between these 2 points is known as potential difference. Means potential difference is nothing but the differences in electric level. Okay, see, here is the point A, here is the point B. A is at higher potential while B is at lower potential, because at point A the end is positive end, and at point B the end is negative end. See, when these two are connected between the conducting wire, the potential difference is created between them. See, why the potential difference is created? Consider this is the conductor, okay, and this is conductor is as it is. It is not connected to any conducting material, or not. It is not connected with any conductor material. Can the flow of electricity or the potential difference created in this conductor? No. Means for the creation of potential difference, who is responsible? The circuit is responsible, and that circuit is nothing but the what is the word here? What is a cell, or what is a battery, and this cell and battery having 2 ends. Okay, in previous standard you have studied the information about these points. See, these 2 conducting material, or when it is connected to, see, this is a known as cell or battery, or it is also known as circuit diagram. See, this is when the conducting material is connected to the, see, here is the, I will show you. See, this is conducting wire and this is the circuit. Here is the cell or battery, and here is this is known as the electric circuit. Okay, here is the positive end, here is the negative end, here is the positive end, here is the negative end. This is the conducting material, this is the cell or battery having positive and negative end. At the positive end having higher potential, negative end having lower potential. This is the switch. When the switch is on, the electricity flows in this circuit due to this cell. or due to this battery. When one or more than one cell connected to each other, there is known as battery. Means in this conducting material, the electricity flows due to this cell. Okay. See, what is the point? The electrons will flow from point B to point A. I have already told you, electron is always flows from point B to point A. Means electron is always flows from negative terminal to positive terminal. Means lower potential to higher potential. See, this flow will continue until the two conductor A and B have the same potential. This flow is continued up to these two conductor having the same potential. That one is nothing but until their potential difference becomes 0. And when the potential difference becomes 0, when the flow of electron is continuously at the positive end and positive end becomes changes to negative end. Means see, here is the positive end, here is the negative end, here is the electrons, these electrons, here is also electrons, this negative end, this negative terminal, and here is positive terminal. These electrons start to move from negative to positive, and this positive changes to negative. This is known as the the potential difference become 0. Only then when the flow of electron stop. Okay, here is also negative and here is also negative end. At that point the potential difference becomes 0. So what is the potential difference? Potential difference is nothing but the differences in electric levels is known as potential difference. And what is the potential? Potential is nothing but the electric charge depend upon some kind of 2 points, and that points is known as electric levels. Electric level is known as electric potential, while the differences between the electric potential is known as potential difference. Is very important terminology, potential difference.